you've got a very overgrown area, which that's why I'm here. You have a little rhodie, you have a little azalea, you have a little hosta, you've got this deciduous azalea, this beautiful andromeda, and then kind of mirrored over here. That's a lot to do. It's a lot of pruning, but I think it would be without having to spend a lot of money on removal. This is what I would do first. Okay. I don't know how long that took, half an hour maybe? I'm excited for you because this is great. This is better than just getting everything new and starting again. Let's just use what we have and see where we are. Okay?